Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to explain you why many engineers are preferring to move towards this data engineering domain right now nowadays. Do we really have that much requirement of data engineers? So what is the current scenario? Do we really require data engineers or not? To understand the data engineers need in real time at companies level. So let's first observe the data engineers need for us from our end. Let's take an example to analyze this. So what is the requirement of them? Let's say we gone for a tour. We gone for a tour. So obviously whenever we go on for a tour, so there might be some amazing memories will be generated, right? Yes. We obviously visit some famous places and amazing locations there. In order to store these beautiful moments, what do? We obviously capture some pictures, right? Yes. We obviously capture our pictures and we store them on our mobile devices. But after some time, we might arise a problem, that is storage issue. Now, what is the issue? Why I need to be a data engineer at this moment? The issue here arises is memory management. So after some time, might your storage may finishes on your device, or might you may need to use, or you may need to move from your mobile to another new mobile. So during that scenario, what you need? You need to move your files from your old mobile to new mobile, right? Yes. So that comes with migration, right? Can I say? Yes. And in order to store these many files and identify which photo or which picture present need to be in particular location in our mobile device, we are the persons who need to take care of it, right? Yes, we obviously create. Let's say if we have a lot of vacations and a lot of photos, then we obviously create multiple folders and we manage our photos in them. Now this scenario, you are becoming a data engineer to manage your photos. And for backup purpose, for your memories are most important, right? Yes, their backup is also very important because the primary location data will be erased. Then in order to recap your photos or memories, you must need to back up your data in some more other location. So what is the other preferred location for us? So whenever, if we reach to the point of backup, the immediate point arises in your mind nowadays is Google backup. Why don't we use Google Photos, or why don't we use Google Drive to store our photos? Yes, you are correct. So that's one of the backup service. For Google Drive, you are using it as backup, and mobile you are using for local storage. So if your data arises in your local storage also, you can able to get the data from your Google Drive. Or else if you are using a new mobile, or if you want to use a new mobile, then you can able to log into your Google account and you can able to get all your memories into that device as well. If you move on to professional level, this Google Drive, or you can say whatever the secondary storage that we are using, that we are explaining professionally as cloud storage. What is that? It's a cloud-based storage. Basically, companies at a particular person level, we have this much amount of data. We have photos, we have many more memories, we have even videos. If we do any birthday parties, videos will be generated, or if we attend any functions, obviously videos will be generated there. We create videos there. So like that, if you observe at a person level, this much amount of data is generating every day, day to day. Then if you think of a company level, then how much amount of data is generating? At user level, this much amount of data is generating. If you observe at company level, then there will be a quite large amount of data is generating. Nowadays, in order to manage a user data, obviously you need to become a data engineer only, because you are managing your data more efficiently, right? You're managing backup, you're managing a local storage, you're managing the migrating your data from one device to another device whenever you bought a new mobile. So at company level, if you observe at company level, so what company will maintain? Company will maintain a lot of users data, not a single user data. So such a user level data, how many such user level data this company will maintain? This company will maintain multiple such user level data. So in order to maintain multi, so at company level, they need to maintain multiple user level data, like multiple users data, right? Yes. And if you focus, like if you take a Google, then what they are doing? So like you, there are multiple users are there. So in order to manage a Google Drive, like you itself, that Google is managing multiple users. That means let's take this as a Google Drive application. Then in that Google Drive application, do Google maintaining only your account for you? No, right? Multiple users accounts they are maintaining. That means for only Google Drive project, let's take a Google Drive as a project. For that only single project, that Google is maintaining multiple users data. So like that project, do Google have only that Google Drive project? No, right? Google also have one more project, like a Google Photos is there, email, Google related email system is also there. So like that, multiple projects are there for Google. So not only Google, if you consider any one of the company, either it may be a product based company or service based company. If it's a product based company, for their product related data, users data, they need to manage it, right? Yes. If you consider, if you consider service based company, then they obviously provide services to multiple product based companies. That means they obviously manage multiple projects. In each project, they need to manage a huge amount of user data, right? Yes. In order to manage this huge amount of user data, what actually companies require? You can see this person, this major person these companies are require. Who is that? Data engineer. So that's why nowadays data engineering becomes this much famous. Remember one more thing, nowadays data grows day by day. Not even GBs, even TBs, PBs, petabytes of data and more. A lot of data is growing day by day. So managing of that data and modeling that data, storing that data, utilizing that data. and using that data for our business purpose. Nowadays, there is a huge demand for that things. So that is why data engineer have evergreen market nowadays in worldwide. So what are you waiting for? If you want to become data engineer, then get start your journey from today itself. Because there is a huge requirement for you in the market nowadays. Thanks for watching. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.